morning! Parang ang aga naman, Lizelle, for a sushi.
Ako, kung alam ko lang, Sandy, anything that looks like food appeals to you.
Oh, kasi gutom na rin tayo. And anyway, these are toys.
Yes.
You know, over about 2 years ago, I was going over this Facebook of April, and she was into making toys, safe toys, for her daughter, Tala.
Natutuwa ako, especially when you find out that everything is actually handmade. So, may theme na. Ito, may veggies, may fruits. It's a learning process for the child. You can talk about, you can say, yes, we're promoting organic fruits and vegetables. You can teach them about healthy eating. And it's so refreshing these days kasi lalo na ako, nanay din ako. And you know, they're all into gadgets, and then the toys that are available are usually made of plastic. So, let's talk to April and let's find out how she got into this. And at syempre, kasama din natin si Tala na siya talaga ang inspirasyon. Ano ang favorite fruit mo or vegetable? Gusto ko din yan, mangga. Very sweet mango. Yellow mango. Mangga. So, let's talk about this.
Huna.
And this huna, ito ang name
ng Play Food na store namin. It's just
Play
an online
Food.
store. Play Food. It's called Play Food. For pretend play.
Ano bang ibig sabihin ng huna-huna?
Huna is means thoughts or thinking in Bisaya. Because my husband is from, his mom is from Lobo and my father is from Tobigo.
Okay.
Yes, Tala. And actually, para sa kanya talaga yung yung toys na ginawa namin. Just so happened na may order.
Itong huna-huna naman, pag sinabing thoughts, you're talking about like yung syempre yung ating imagination na pinapagana natin.
Yes.
Kasi yun ang nawawala na yung imaginative
Yes.
play. Imaginative play ba ang tawag doon?
Imaginative play and
Yung mga-
sensory play.
Yun ang wala na sa bata, no? Yung sensory play. Basically, ano siya, no? Anong materials ang ginagamit mo?
Soft felt, saka fiber fill, yung inner feeling niya. Yun lang, and thread.
So how long does it take you to make one?
One is 2 hours, this one 2 hours.
Tagal din,
Fastest
ah.
dito 1 hour lang tong egg.
Oo.
Matagal yung watermelon.
Ang tagal din. So, kunwari, isang set ng veggies takes you 1 day? 2 days?
Oh, 1 day. Kasi hindi kasi pwede tuloy-tuloy dahil syempre toddler, preschooler pa. Kaya kung may time lang.
So, it's something na pwede gawin ng isang mother for their children or for on the side, di ba? Na parang
Yes.
negosyo, oo.
Pero yung mga ganito, alam ko there are some schools or some preschools na parang ito, hinahanap na rin yung mga ganitong klaseng mga laruan.
Yung helper na namin, she helps out, tapos I give her a commission kapag may nagawa siya. Tapos last November, nag-join kami ng bazaar. Laki daw ng kinita niya.
Is it difficult to source itong mga materials mo? Madali lang.
So, meron naman.
Okay. So, pagkatapos nun, when you have the materials, the pattern,
You make the pattern, tapos you stencil dun sa fabric, and then yung cut before you stitch.
and isa-sample tayo ni April ng
Sinimulan ko na.
egg.
So, 3 pieces lang naman siya and 2 colors. So, this is the easiest gawin sa bahay.
Yung sa egg, yung ganito, pagka tinahit, nag-cut ka ng ganyan. Tapos, asan yung filling?
Ay, nasa loob na, pinasok ko.
Dito, pinatong mo lang yung yolk.
Yung yolk, before you
Kasi
close it, ilagay na yung filling. So,
why
bibili rin to, fiber fill.
Fiber fill.
So, everything, sobrang mura lang siya kasi you buy it in kilos.
Oo.
Ang pinaka-ideal is if we could find organic Wool?
Yun
Is
nga
that?
eh.
Oo.
Tapos I asked na dun sa natural farmers. Ang dami kong tinanungan, pero wala.
Eventually, din siguro, ang iba will get into, or makahanap mo yung organic wool. Pero as of now, at least, something handmade, something you make for your children, going back to basics.
So, yung mga ibang mga nanay na nandyan sa bahay, if you're looking for some great ideas, something to do at the same time, and para sa inyong mga anak, di ba?
Yung baka sabihin nyo, paano yan, yung materials hindi organic. Well, I guess that's a call for other suppliers na mabuksan ang mata ninyo na, meron pa pong ibang mga industriya na pwede po natin ma-penetrate na pwede kayo makapag-supply ng mga ganong materyales.
Yes.
Diba? So, join us again for next week's episode of OA Ako.